Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. We are going to check the levels from where market may react and will be getting good risk to reward ratios. When you see on weekly time frame, this is Bank Nifty chart. In the Bank Nifty chart, when you see on weekly time frame, it has been moving upside from past 3 weeks. It has not given any halt candle also, right? Now, in this week, we can expect a halt candle here, or if it further moves upside, then we can expect a halt candle in next week itself. If it crosses this high, then we'll be expecting some more bullish move till 44,000 levels. Not exactly 44,000 levels. We can expect till 44,000 levels. As of now, when you see on Bank Nifty, it has been continuously moving upside. Now, in this week, we may get a reversal or a halt candle at this level. Okay, let's move on daily time frame once. On the daily time frame, it is moving in an channel. I have marked the channel here. It is moving in an channel. Now the channel may retest at this level. From here we can expect another upside momentum. As I have discussed in the previous time that market will halt in this week. This can expect from here it may fall here and it will move upside till this level. Then again it may come to test this trend line. There is a high probability that market will give a small halt in this week. Let's move on hourly time frame. Yeah. Based on the hourly time frames uptrend, I have given 3 levels here. This is a first level where market has already given a retest, and the second level is 42,762, and the third is 42,631. If market falls till 42,632, then there is a high probability that from here market will bounce back. If market falls to this level, then make sure that if any bullish pattern or bullish scenario is coming at this level, then you can go for the bullish trade from this level. Okay, from 42,600 level, not exactly like 42,631. You need to get a bullish scenario here, then you can go for the trade. Or if this support also got breakdown, then you can expect a fall till this level, 42,200 zone also. But there is a high probability that market may bounce back from this level. These are the Fibonacci levels based on this trend. Now, when we go on 15 minutes time frame for intraday trade, look at here, market is completely in this pattern, right? Just wait for any breakout or breakdown, then you can go for the trade. If you get any breakdown at this level, your first target should be 42,762 and the second target should be 42,631. And if it gives breakout, then you can manage your target till previous day high. Here are some resistances are there. You can trail based on it, and your maximum target is till this level only, which is following this upper trend line. Okay, this is the analysis of Bank Nifty, where we are expecting a halt candle. In this halt candle also, we are planning to get a trade in the downside as well and in the upside also. Okay, from this support, we'll be planning for bullish trade, and if we get breakdown at this level, then we'll be planning for bearish trade. Or directly, if we are opening higher side, then we'll be planning for bullish trade till next day high. I mean previous day high. Okay, this is about Bank Nifty. Let's move on to Nifty once. First, we'll go to weekly time frame. On Nifty, you can see it has given a halt candle in last week, right? In last week, we have got a halt candle, and then previous week, we got a good bullish candle. Now we are almost near to our all-time high, that is 18,604.45. If it touches this level, then we can expect a halt also here. Right, as the market is reaching its all-time high, there will be some sellers there. We can get a halt candle here also on weekly basis, but we can't say exactly there will be a halt candle. It may give breakout and then fall in the downside. This also will happen. Okay, let's move on to daily time frame. You see on daily time frame, it has been reaching to the resistance level, and it has given breakout to previous resistance. Now it has again retested this one. Now I'm expecting that it will touch the all-time high, then it may fall from there. Okay, not exactly the scenario. It may give the scenarios like that. Now moving to 1 hour time frame. See, on 1 hour time frame, when I see there is a very good trend line which is formed from this level. If it falls to this level, from here we can go for bullish trade. if it comes and falls to this trend line and it is previously it was a resistance, now it will be acting as a support here. If it gives breakout to retest to this level, then we can go for bullish trade till all-time high. Or else if it directly opening at all-time high, then you can expect a profit booking from here, and you can book your targets at this support itself. Or if it breaks down to this support also, then we are having another zone that is 18 to 90 level. Till there you can trail your targets. Upside, if it is moving continuously, then based on your retest, you can go for the trade. Moving to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, last day it was completely on sideways basis, right? It was completely on sideways basis. So we are expecting either upside move from here or downside move from here. At both sides, we are having little bit range only. Upside, we are having 18,600 only. That is almost 75 points. And the downside also, we are having only less range. So we have to wait for a good trend in Nifty. This is the complete analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty with all the levels. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure that the levels are intact. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends, comment down if you have any doubts, or comment down if you need further more information over the stocks or index, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.